If your house needs repairs, did you know you can turn those problems into money? Even if you don't have the cash to fix things right now, that roof, AC, water heater, siding, or foundation issue could help you save big on your mortgage or property taxes this year and for years to come. Let me show you exactly how it works. It's called filing a property tax protest with your county, and even if you've done it before, this is a smarter, more strategic way to do it. Hundreds of homeowners across the DFW area are already turning property issues into real savings, and you can too. And here's the thing. It's hard to find solid, practical advice on how to do this right. That's why we made this video, to show you exactly how, step by step. We've already done the digging, so you don't have to. Stick around. Just one new tip here could literally put money back in your hands. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click the link below. It takes you to everything you need. The forms, walkthrough videos, and all the key links. Step 2. Watch the video titled How to Fill the Protest Form Like a Pro. It shows you exactly what to write to give yourself the best chance at big savings, and you can reuse these tips every year. Step 3. Print and mail, or hand deliver, your protest form to your county appraisal district. The official deadline is May 15th, though some counties may allow a few extra days this year. Step 4. Walk through your home and make a list of anything broken, outdated, or worn out. Bonus tip. If you want a true upper hand in your quest to save more, here's the most advanced trick of all. Besides repairs, you can also argue that your home is taxed differently from your neighbors. Use the tax information from the appraisal district's own website to find homes in your area with lower tax assessment than yours. This one tactic can seriously shift the odds in your favor. We'll show you exactly how to do it in the next video, so make sure you subscribe. Step 5. Get written estimates from a few contractors. You don't have to do the work, just get current year quotes. This helps prove your case with real numbers. Step 6. If the county sets up a meeting, bring your paperwork, estimates, and neighborhood tax comparisons. That's how real people are saving hundreds, even lowering their mortgage payments. This process doesn't take much time, but it can put money back where it belongs, in your wallet. Some folks use the savings to finally fix what's broken. Others use it to pay off debt or cover bills. Subscribe now. More videos are coming this week to help you save not just this year, but every year going forward.